How to create Google Voice number in Ghana. All that you have to do is just go to Google and then type in Google Voice and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, just select the official site of Google Voice, just like this one. And then over here, we have the choice to go for a personal or a business one. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are going to go for a personal one. So just click on it. So when you click on for personal use, you can choose any of these. You can go for Android, you can go for iPhone, or you can go for a Windows one. Okay, so if you select the Android one, it will take you right to Play Store and then you can install the app. Okay, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use my laptop to do it. So let's select for personal use and then select web. So when you click on web, it is then going to open the web version. Okay, so all that you have to do is to just come here and then click on continue. Just read their terms and services and then click on continue. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is to select a US number. It is going to be your Google Voice number. Okay, you can select the one that they give you, or you can put in any area code, just like the 541, and just look through. When it comes, then you select the one that you want. If you don't want it, you can simply come here and then click on show more and then to show more. Okay, so I have selected this one, and over here all that I have to do is to verify this number and then it will become my Google Voice number. Okay, so just come here and then click on the verify. As you can see, the verify here, just click on it. So when you click on the verify, the next thing is that you need a US number to link it with. Okay, so you have to put your US number right here. If you don't have some, just look in the video description. I'm having a full video on how to get a free US number. Okay, just watch it, get a free US number, come and put it right here and then click on send code. Okay, just click on send code. They will send you the code, you put it in and then you come here and then you click on claim. Okay, so after clicking on claim, just click on finish. And over here you can see we have successfully created our Google Voice number, and we can use it to make our calls and then do our text messages. So it is totally free and so convenient to create. So I hope you have learned it and you can do it yourself. If you have any comments, just leave it in the comment down section.